tried to double-cross me. Now, you and your precious pink princess will be powerless together!
Escape. Recruit a team of teenagers with attitudes.
Back off, Zed. I'm getting Kimberly out of here. It's morphin' time! White Ranger power! That's it! Okay, Zed. I'm ready for you.
I'm far more powerful than you could ever handle, White Ranger!
We'll just have to see about that now, won't we?
Are those hi-yas really necessary? Here, I'll do some. Whoa, come and get me.
Is that the best you can do?
You're going to be sorry you said that. Wait till I tell your pink friend how much courage you had at the end.
It doesn't matter what happens to me, Zed. Kimberly and I may not get out of here, but you'll never be allowed to win. Get real, Zed.
Come, Tommy! You can't be serious with that toy sword!
I don't get more serious than this, Zed. Bullseye, yes!
Not quite.
It's just like you, cold and slimy.
Why, you power parasite! You'll pay for that!